Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am a plant-based RN and I follow the starch solution, aka low calorie density way of eating. On my channel you will find whole food plant-based recipes that are quick and easy. If that sounds good to you, I hope you subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos that I post, which I do post twice a week. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating or just feel like you need some more support, I started a Facebook group. This is a group of like-minded people all following the starch solution or low calorie density way of eating, or high carb, low fat, which is basically all the same thing, but we post recipes and pictures and give each other support. So I'll leave a link to that in the description box below and I hope you check it out. Today I will be showing you two recipes that I make on the regular. They're quick, easy, whole food plant-based, no oil, just perfect for this way of eating. So let's get started. So one of my favorite grains is buckwheat. I really like it for breakfast, sometimes instead of oatmeal. It's a lot sturdier, it kind of holds up more, it's not as mushy, it's got a real nutty flavor. And I just make it in my rice cooker, and it's like just like making rice. 1 cup of rice would be with 2 cups of water. This is 1 cup of buckwheat, 2 cups of water. It cooks up beautifully in the rice cooker. You can also cook it on the stove, and you could do it in your Instant Pot as well. Some nutritional facts about buckwheat is for 1 cup of buckwheat, there is about 5.6 grams of protein. It's got about 4.5 grams of fiber. It's full of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium. So really a good nutritionally packed food. And I just like to pair it with a little banana, blueberry. You can also do it savory if you want. You could do veggies, totally up to you. But on this one, I'm just gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon on the veggies and on the buckwheat. And this is a great breakfast, lunch, dinner, if you like breakfast for dinner. So that's it. Big bowl of buckwheat and some fruit. Simple and easy. So another thing I love to make, I love to throw together. I just like to see what's in the fridge. What can I put together? I had these frozen veggies. I've got frozen roasted corn and the frozen roasted onions and bell peppers from Trader Joe's. So I'm just gonna put that all in this bowl. I just put it on the stove for a few minutes just to, defrost it, heat it through. So that goes in the bowl. I've got some black beans. And you can totally customize this to whatever you want. You can use whatever veggies you want, but if you have veggies, beans, and a starch, then you're good to go. Then I've got some rice, and this was just all left over, and I just heated it up in the microwave. So we're gonna add a little bit of spices to this. I've got some granulated garlic, onion powder, a little bit of salt, which is optional, and then a little bit of cumin. And then we're going to mix it all together and adjust the spices as you see fit. All these foods here are very low calorie density. You want to try to keep your calorie density to about 600 or 700 calories per pound. If you do that, you are good to go. You don't have to measure your food. You don't have to count calories. Just eat till you're comfortably full and you will lose weight. So then to really make these low calorie density, I'm going to be putting them in these really beautiful little romaine lettuce leaves. If you want to use a tortilla, that's fine. It's just going to bump it up a little bit as far as the calorie density, but still a great choice. I eat corn tortillas frequently. So you're just going to scoop some of this mixture in here. And it's messy. I mean, it's a messy little dish, but that's okay. Nobody will be watching. Okay, and then I like to add a little bit of tomato, fresh tomato. I love the little baby heirloom tomatoes. They have those at Trader Joe's, but any tomato will do. And then I just top with a little bit of salsa or whatever sauce you would like. And I will probably, I can eat 4 or 5 of these at a sitting easily. So you just kind of pick them up and eat them like a taco, and they are delicious. So I wanted to speak a little bit more about the low calorie density. I know sometimes it can be confusing because some people say I'm on the starch solution, I'm on low calorie density, I'm on whole food plant-based, I'm on high carb, low fat. They're all basically the same thing. You're not eating processed foods. You're eating lots of fruits, veggies, whole grains, potatoes, rice, things like that. Things that are gonna fill you up but are low calorie, so you can eat a lot more, which is the beauty of it. So just this little reminder, non-starchy vegetables are about 100 calories per pound. Fruit is about 300 calories per pound. Potatoes, corn, and oats is about 400 calories per pound. Whole grains, rice, pasta is about 500 calories per pound. Beans and legumes are about 600 calories per pound. Avocados about 750. On up to nuts and seeds, which is about 2,800 calories per pound. And then all oils are 4,000 calories a pound. So if you stick to 600-700 calories, I like to do around 600 calories per pound for my foods. And then that way you know you're in that safe little limit there, and you can eat as much as you want till you're comfortably full and feel satisfied, and you will definitely lose weight. It's very simple, it's very easy, you don't have to count calories, you don't have to measure, you don't even really need to think about it. So I'm gonna leave a link to a low calorie density chart that you could print out, and you can leave that on your refrigerator, and that will be a little reminder for you. So I hope you enjoyed these 2 quick and easy recipes. These are things that I just throw together on the regular. I really don't do a lot of fancy cooking. I do a lot of food prep on the weekend. I like to make rice and potatoes and a whole grain of some sort. You know, I steam a ton of vegetables. I have all my salad stuff. I'll make my no oil dressings. So everything is there in the fridge ready to go. You just want to make sure that you're prepared. So when you're hungry, you open the fridge and there is all this food at your disposal, and you can just pick and choose, throw things together. I love using frozen fruit and vegetables. It's great, they don't go bad. You can just stock your freezer full of them. I mean, Costco has these huge big bags of broccoli and stir fry, and then you've just got it in your fridge and you're ready to go. So there's really no excuse not to eat healthy if you're prepared. If you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Chew on Vegan, and check out my Facebook group as well. Until next time, thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 of my Today I'm going to be showing you blah blah blah. You're eating a lot of non-starchy vegetables, fruits, grains, not bleh.